You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another interesting video with Anabi's Kitchen and Bake. So my siblings came visiting and I decided to take them on a hangout to Harcourt Pleasure Park. Remember the last video we watched, I told you guys that there was a vlog for it, and here finally I had to put it up. In case this is your first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you've not subscribed, please do wait to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification to get notified when I upload a new video. So while we were walking in, after we dropped off from the boat, a taxi guy that was coming out of the pleasure park gave me some eye cuts that I didn't like, so I had to give it back. And then my brother was like, "What are you doing?" I said the guy gave me an eye cut that I didn't like, so I had to give it back to him. So my younger sister that is schooling in Uniport, we were supposed to go out together, but she didn't meet up on time, so we had to ask her to come meet us up. So while we were waiting, I was just doing some dancing step that I don't know how to dance, but well, so while we were waiting, we were just taking pictures. That is my immediate younger brother. We were taking pictures and giving some gist, and remember it was a Father's Day, so we're just doing some big transfer to my dad to wish him a happy Father's Day. And that is the last baby girl in the house. She was feeling too shy and she was like, "Big sis, you're always doing video." So this was us walking in while we're still waiting for my younger sister to arrive. I just had to pay for ticket entry first of all, so I said, let me take this is Harcourt Pleasure Park. If you're in River State, it's an amusement park that you can easily go chill off with kids. I was just taking videos of my siblings, and then finally the baby girl we're waiting for her to arrive. I don't know what was making her to fall that though. She was feeling shy. So we had to go in, and then something sweet happened while we were walking in. The clowns in the house in the park suddenly saw my younger brother and then fell in love with him, and they started giving him this hype that we don't really know where it was coming from, but it was all cool. I think I just have to play so you guys can just hear what they were saying to my younger brother. And last we just had to find them some tips. So we're just doing some videos, giving some cheese, and they were really happy that I had to take them out, and I was as well happy that we had a fun day. So we're like, what are we supposed to do here? I said, okay, let's do some boat cruise, So my brother was like, the last video of the house, you're being cheated, no phone to do video with, and take my phone so you can do video. So we got here and I said, okay, let's go for boat cruise before we have some sweets, other food or snacks to have. But we were so unlucky that fateful day. Of course, you know this is raining season and anything can happen. So while we were still doing our boat cruise and all of that, it started raining. See my sisters now, they are so beautiful. And I mean beautiful sisters that I have. They're my younger ones and I love them so much. So I just had to take them. So this was us preparing to dive into that river there to have some fun. So please just come along with us and catch some cruise, okay?
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you remain with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Yeah. You have to watch me. I don't know. G?
So guys, at this point it was raining heavily. Like everybody that came had to look for a shed, had to just run to. So I just had to take them, and then we bought some chicken suya, we bought some burger buns, sausage bread, and meat pie. My younger brother was asking for cinema, if we could go see a movie, but it was raining heavily, so we couldn't cross over to the other end. We had to stay there for hours. Like it was like the money we paid for our boat was a waste, because we didn't really enjoy it that much. It was just, I think we didn't even stop to 30 minutes. No, we didn't. And it started raining, so we just had to take off and then have some snacks, and then we left there almost very late in the night. It was almost 6:30 to 7 thereabouts. I just had to take them home on time so we could have a rest. It was still raining, you know. The boats we were able to book, they said they could come in because they were to pay a gate fee, so we had to just stay longer. So this was us and still having fun. So in case you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe, to like, share, and to comment. And to know when I upload a new video, please do it to turn on your notification button, because the next video that will be coming in is going to be a cook video and a baking video, and you don't want to mix that on that. So it's not just about lifestyle vlog, we also do cooking and baking, and you don't want to mix that on that. So keep watching and don't forget to like and come back for more. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye, we love you.
She be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, lah. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will making me the dark man shit. It's not the way that you want, make me tell me with this up in come. I never tried it, oh baby. This love will making me the starting. No, I'm not gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make you, baby.